all the girls. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. And today guys, I'll be doing a Puerto Rico vlog. Travel with me to Puerto Rico, and I'm with my mommy. It's just me and my mommy this time. Yeah, I didn't really vlog like check-in and stuff because like the process was really quick. Like I didn't even like vlog me getting breakfast or nothing because like, you know, everything was just going by so quickly and my food took forever to get. So I literally just ate some of my food. I had Popeyes, y'all. I just wanted some chicken and our gate didn't have Chick-fil-A, so I just got Popeyes. So can you hear me? I'm gonna have to isolate the video, but yeah, y'all, we got to the airport around like,
We gotta go. We got to be up boy 744. We ain't even.
we got to the airport at like 6, I think, or like 5. No, yeah, like 5:27 towards 6. So like yeah, we've been here for a good little minute, like walking around and stuff like that. I just want to start my vlog now. Do y'all like my hair? I got my hair done yesterday. Period. Everything's packed, ready to go. Yeah, I just want to start an intro to my vlog before I got on the plane, because I know on the plane it would have been like way worse. Like I hate the plane engine, it just sounds a mess. So yeah guys, I'm ready for Puerto Rico. This is my first time I think at Puerto Rico. I don't think I've been to one, you know, on a cruise, like, you know, they take you to different places. I don't think I've been on a cruise. I thought I did, but I've been to the Bahamas and Nassau. See, I never been to Puerto Rico, so this is my first time. Mom, is this your, well, I think it's like your second time going to Puerto Rico?
I never been.
You never been? I thought you been. Yeah, I thought my mama done been to Puerto Rico.
So I think
Yeah, guys, we're about to board.
Come on.
Yeah, we're not. Our plane is supposed to be, y'all. It's supposed to be boarding at 7:44, and our gate is all the way to that way. I think it's B28. We're on like B16 right now, so we're gonna walk the opposite way to our gate. I just want to start my vlog. I will be in Puerto Rico for 4 days, so y'all will be with me the whole time. And yeah, and also y'all, I know my girl Naya is down there right now as well, so I'll probably be doing a day with her down there too, my boo Naya. So yes guys, I'm so excited. I feel like the lighting is bad and I don't know if it's too loud, y'all. I was gonna start it at home, but it was just trying to get ready. This is my outfit, airport outfit. Olive green Lululemon set, LV purse, and New Balances. And yes y'all, we're just gonna see you guys when we get on the plane, you know what I mean? We're gonna get to go to Puerto Rico, and yeah, I'll probably talk to you guys when I get to the hotel, because yeah, I'm excited. My hair is so cute. This is my first trip with a curly bob. Pigs finna eat, period. No, yeah, I tried the new order.
No, they put XOXO on your cup.
Oh, yeah, I got XOXO. Oh my god. Yeah, we're at Starbucks. Our flight got delayed to 10. So now we're on a whole nother gate waiting for our flight. We're on gate F. We were on gate B originally, but it's fine. I'm gonna make my content. I'm filming a reel for my Insta page. So yeah, just record y'all on standby. But yeah, we're about to do a whole bunch of walking. So like I said, I'm gonna just hit y'all up when we're on the plane. And yeah. Okay, hey guys, we're here in Puerto Rico. We just landed like not too long ago, and we're waiting for the Uber to come get us. He is 19 minutes away, so we're waiting for him to get us. It's just very humid, but yes guys, flight was pretty okay. It was okay. We're gonna be on the way to our room, and then we'll just decide whatever else we want to do for the rest of the day. And yeah, just want to update y'all that we got off the flight. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the room. Okay, hey guys, we're currently at the hotel, y'all. Yes.
We don't have. She never got the Stevie and Ocean View. I wanted to be on the ground.
Look at our bathroom. Mom, it's cute. Look at our shower.
No, you can sit down. I like how the bed. I got a little bed on the side.
Oh, guys, look at our room. So cutesy. I don't even put my stuff down. Took a video for my reel. Yes, y'all, I'm loving the room. I actually like it. And then we got a mirror. I'm about to record for my reel.
Hold on, we gotta get that stick.
You know, we got a
Umbrella.
y'all look at our.
You want to probably just eat at the restaurant?
Yeah, we can do
Go
that.
somewhere.
Okay, hey guys, so I'm in the room. I don't know if the music in the back is too loud, but I'm about to get ready to go. I'm about to get ready to go eat lunch with my mommy and go to the beach with Naya. So I'm about to do my edges, like just slick them up. And then I kind of already did my concealer this morning. I'm thinking about just adding an under eye, you know what I mean? I'm really slight. And y'all look, it's a makeup mirror. So I don't really gotta worry about what I mean. So yeah, I'm about to do that, and then I'm gonna show y'all my swimwear outfit after. Hey guys, the lighting is still bad. I didn't really get a chance to record video my makeup because I was trying to rush to like leave. But guys, look at my outfit. Oh, we're outside, and me and my mom, well, I guess we're about to get sushi. We do have a taste for some sushi though. Yeah, we're about to walk to the place. I didn't really, these flip-flops are not.
Are they comfortable?
Not really, but
Yeah, we need to get on this side.
I ended up taking the other flower out of my head because it didn't match with this one, and I didn't want to look tacky.
Ooh, look at that.
Where? Ew. Remind me of Chloe. But yes, y'all, about to go eat. I wish I could have did like a little bit more, like get ready with me, but I feel like I was like rushing a little bit. Here go our view. Very nice. Guys, look at the food.
Look at mine. I thought it was steak for me.
Me too. This mine look like steak. Okay, guys, we outside. What? I can't take out all my earrings.
Yeah, that's actually crazy.
Look at the birds. Do I want to do that? Manaya, my queen. No, because if it poop on me, that's going to be embarrassing. Wait, let me
I'll
lick.
tuck it just the
Porter, yes, that one. Yeah, oh,
my chica.
it's stinky.
What that man?
What that smell? It smells good. I mean, not smell good, but it looks pretty in there.
Like thick.
Oh, I thought that was Korean corn dogs. I don't know why I thought they'll have that out here.
That's like Puerto Rican drink.
Y'all, we're just walking the strip right now. Oh, it's a store. Hey. Okay. Oh yeah, you can go. But the pictures was really cute. Yeah, we should. And I hate I have this on, this little resort thing, but it's okay.
Ready?
Okay, hey y'all. Good morning. It is the next day, y'all. Bright and early. I think it's like 9 a.m. right now. Y'all, ignore my face. Like I said, I just woke up, so ignore my face. I have a pimple. I'm just over it. But yeah, my mom just left to go to the beach. I'm over here admiring this view. Like, it's so pretty. So right now I'm in my room. I'm just like, I don't know, I'm about to get ready for the day. I want to go to the beach after the animal park. So, oh yeah, let me tell y'all our itinerary today. Possibly. When my mom gets back, we're gonna get ready to go to the animal park. I'm about to get ready now, because I know how I am by my TikToks, my videos, my pictures. I need to get ready now. So I'm about to get ready for the animal park. I saw some at the little St. Juan downtown area last night, but like they wouldn't let us take pictures with them, so it beat the purpose. Like, I could have did it, I don't know. And then the area was we just wanted to go to somewhere more, you know what I mean. And the park we were looking at had a skyline with it too, but my mom is gonna go downstairs to the front to make sure that's an okay bird park to go to. They recommend something better. It's 5 minutes away from my resort, so I think she's about to be on the way over here in a minute. We're just gonna get ready together. She probably already gonna be ready. I'm gonna be getting ready. I'm about to play some music. I'm gonna go mood. Like, I woke up in Puerto Rico. Today's clips are gonna be way better because yesterday, all over the place. Literally all over the place. Like, today was just all over the place. We was rushing everywhere. It just didn't feel, you know what I mean? I'm up bright and early today. It just feels way better. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, I'm just looking at this view. Like, it looks so good. But yeah, and then tomorrow morning, me and my mom says, like, when the sunset come up, we're gonna try to go to the beach when the sunrise come up. So that's gonna be early, y'all. We're gonna have to wake up like 6 a.m. I'm not doing no makeup. I might, but concealer the most. Like, I'm gonna be so tired by the time we get home tonight, because it sounds like it's gonna be a productive day. But yeah, y'all, I'm just waiting on my mommy. I'm about to get ready. I'm probably not gonna record too much of my morning. Probably just me doing a little bit of makeup. I'm about to brush my teeth and all that. I'm probably going to show you guys when I find my outfit. I'll record that, but yeah. Cute. Hey guys. I'm like, Naya, come in the video. Two-piece from Fashion Nova. Tories. But y'all, I don't have no gold anklet, so like, I don't know. The queen is taking pictures.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, we're at the park now, bro. I'm frustrated. Like, I'm nervous.
I'm not gonna lie, if it's like right, see, that's what I'm saying. They drive so fast, like.
Yeah, they do.
Oh my god, I hear something.
Wait.
I thought I heard something.
Wait, I might need to hold on.
Wait, they actually might clip their wings because they can easily like escape.
Guys, we're here at the park.
Oh, it looks so dry. Oh, we can actually go in there. Oh, so cute. like cable board, like almost basically zip lining. No.
Okay, hey guys, we're at Pizza Hut, and y'all, I do have on the same thing as yesterday. Let me tell y'all.
Why y'all in her business though?
Exactly. Let me tell y'all though. Okay, I didn't get no good beach pictures. I didn't go to the beach yesterday, and I specifically wanted to wear this to the beach, so it will be getting reworn. And then my other two bathing suits I already took pics in already. Before, one of them not, but that was specifically for the pool, so I didn't want to wear it to the beach. This is beach. So yes, I'm re-wearing it and I look better. Got my jewelry on, everything. Cause you know, yesterday I was rushing. But yeah, at Pizza Hut right now, if y'all wondering. I was like, where are they at? We're at Pizza Hut. We came back from the little bird park a little minute ago. And me and Naya, we went back to the room and you know, we wiped ourselves down and stuff and we changed. Naya looks so cutesy, y'all. She got her Puerto Rican. Pictures for the Cali. They go. I'm like, we calling all the cowboys, let's ride.
You're right.
We calling everybody, let's ride. You want something by the water? We at the beach.
We at the beach.
Is it on? Hold on, I gotta go through that.
Huh?
Did you want the pants on still? I forgot. Oh, your belly. Okay, keep it on there.
Basta me.
I just didn't know because I remember I told you you can wear mine. Y'all, book me. Like, okay. Ready? Wait, let me fix myself.
Okay.
We run into the motherfucking shit. I'm like, don't leave it. Hello, my loves. Good morning. It is the next day. This is our last day in Puerto Rico, y'all. It felt so fast, but like, that's our last day. My mom is at the beach right now. I'm currently about to go to the beach as well. This is the little beach outfit for the day, just the whole day fit, I guess. I got this cheetah print bikini, flower side part. I have the bikini bottoms, but due to me walking by myself, I just put some white pants on over it. LV purse, and then probably my Tory Burch slides, my little black ones. I did a little soft makeup look. And yeah, I'm about to just go lay out with my mom. It's currently 9:57 right now, so it's really early. We tried to wake up this morning to go to the beach to see the sunrise, but we missed it. Like, we missed the sunrise. I don't know. Okay, y'all, I'm literally about to go right now. I don't know if I don't know where I ended off last night. I feel like I ended off with me and Naya taking pictures on the beach. I don't know if y'all could even see that clip for real though, because it was getting dark, so I might put it in there. But if I don't, yeah, that was the last time we left off. We were taking pictures and stuff like that. And I hope my camera don't have no glitches or anything, because I got sand in my camera, so I had to wash my shoes off. It was sand on my flip-flops, and I hate the feeling. Cute little fig, cute. I don't know if I can see. And then this is some sunscreen that I'm bringing in from e.l.f. Real cutesy. I don't know if I wanna take pics in this because I already posted in this outfit before last spring break. This is literally an outfit from my closet. I wore this bikini last year on spring break when I went to Panama, so I don't know if I want to take pictures in it. Maybe TikToks and videos, but I don't think I'm gonna post in it. It's a real chill fit though, you know. But Let me set y'all up. I did post though. Gotta pack my charger because, baby, my phone is quick to die. Let's see. But yeah, I'm about to leave though. Let me close my suitcase because room service comes in to clean our room every time we leave. So I don't need nothing. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is not fitting in my purse. Maybe my pocket? Okay. It's fitting in my pocket, but it kind of look weird, but whatever. Yeah, got to leave, guys. Let me show you guys a full outfit in the mirror. Yeah. This pimple literally on my last nerve, y'all, and this popped up a day before the trip. Chilling, and it popped up. Like what? Yeah, y'all, we're about to leave though. Let's close the bathroom door. Do I have everything? Yeah. It's so nice. Okay, y'all, this camera is a lot to hold because it's like I have my phone too, but I'm probably just gonna vlog again when I'm walking to meet my mom on the beach because I'm about to go down on the elevator. We're about to find something to eat. We were looking at some spots on the beach, but because mom had pizza, but I didn't eat breakfast yet, so I'm just about to find something to eat. It's actually not that hot no more. I just like to feel in the air. But yeah, my neck is sweating. Like, neck is sweating, but yeah, we're about to find something to eat right now, so I'm gonna just update y'all whenever we find a good a good place to eat at, and yeah, show you guys my food and lunch.
Dubai chocolate crepe.
You wanna try that? Yeah, we're here at the shop. We're about to miss mall. Hi.
Y'all have so many flavors.
Yes, I do. Can I get the Hershey's? Is that cookies and cream? Yeah, can I get that, please? Can I get it? Guys, our drink came. Mommy, what did you get?
I got the Marula Chef.
It's cute, and I got a Hershey's cookies and cream. Yeah, I love chocolate drinks, and it's from the Frappe factory in Puerto Rico. Yeah, it was a walk from the beach, y'all. Yeah, low key. Oh, don't sound too bad. Say it again. The Sony ZV-1F. Very good, thank you. It's my first camera, so I really like it. It's for video and pictures. Yes, very nice. God, I don't even want to mess it up. It's so cute. Okay, let's try it. This is really good. I just probably messed up, but oh, this is good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Want to try mine? Good, guys, so good. Hey guys, we're at the pool. We just came back from the coffee shop. Mommy's in the pool right now. I'm about to get in too. I'm just laying down. You know, we stopped, I don't know, I think I deleted the footage, but we stopped by the tattoo shop because me and my mom, we wanted matching tattoos. Yeah, and mind you, the tattoos like really tiny, y'all. Why was it like $100 a piece? I think, like, what, 100 for a small tattoo? Like, the tattoo was so small, I think it was literally half a heart. My mom wanted to get half a heart. Yeah, 100 a piece. I get like 50 or like lower, but 100, nah, boo. Baby, we can go to Atlanta and get that for cheaper. So we're gonna get that when we go back home. But that would have been cute if I put that in the vlog, but nah, boo, my watch. But yeah, I'm at the pool. I'm about to get in actually, and yeah, I'm about to get in with my mom. So I just wanted to update y'all. Yeah, I'm just chilling. It's so nice. Yeah, about to get in. Okay, y'all, I know y'all probably like, what is going on? But yeah, I just got back to the room. My mom is still at the pool. I wanted to come to the room because I started going to sleep. I was just really tired. I'm actually about to get in the shower right now, but yeah, I'm about to take a quick minute nap. I'm pretty sure my mom come up, she'll take her like a little nap too, and we're gonna go to dinner tonight. I want sushi. My mama, she wants something else, some like mofongo, whatever it's called, something out here. But I want sushi, so we're gonna find the spot that has both before I take a nap, and then we'll make reservations for that to go to that tonight. I might wake up a little bit earlier just to get ready. I'm gonna have to redo my makeup, like makeup sorted off and everything. I'm not wearing this out tonight. And my hair, my edges came up, like, yeah, everything just looks a mess right now. So I'm gonna redo my edges as well before I go to bed and wrap it up, so when I wake up I don't have to focus too much on my hair. But yes, y'all, I just wanted to cut this little morning clip off here. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and take a shower, take this off, change back to my PJs, and then tonight I'm gonna show you guys my fit whenever I wake up and get ready, you know, and all that. It's this green romper I'm thinking about. It's the only, I have another dress in there, but it kind of gave what I wore yesterday, so like I don't really want to wear nothing else flowery, because I already wore that swimsuit to take pictures in it yesterday. So yeah, it's a green little romper set with like my back out. It's a short romper set, really cute. Might wear that with my Tory Burch same little flower clip. Like, you know, I'm just gonna show you guys. And I bought it for Turks and Caicos last year but never wore it, so like it's a new fit basically. I got it last year though, but and it fit a little bit too big on me last year, so I gained a lot of weight. I gained a lot of weight, so I know it's gonna fit me now. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to take a shower. I just want to end this right here. I'm about to freshen up, repower myself. As y'all can tell, I sound tired. I didn't get no pics today, but in the romper tonight, I most definitely might get a little flicks, get my mom to flick me up, because Naya left today, y'all. Naya's back in Atlanta, so yeah, I leave in the morning at 4 a.m. Like, what? But yeah, I'm about to get ready for that, and yeah, let's go to bed. And it looks very nice and cozy right now, so yeah, I'm about to take a nap. And yeah, I'm gonna hit you guys back up when I wake up and get ready, all girly. I can't wait for dinner tonight. I just know I haven't had dinner here yet in Puerto Rico. I've had like Mexican spots and all that, but actual dinner spots, I can't wait to try it. Like, food, I know it's gonna be good. And I've been wanting sushi. I don't know, food, seafood, it don't matter. Just give me a dinner table and some nice dinner. I just want good dinner. Okay, hey guys, I just woke up. This is the outfit that I'm wearing to dinner tonight. Well, I just woke up and did my makeup. As y'all can tell, I redid my makeup. I'm gonna have to isolate this video because we're playing music. This is what I'm wearing. It looks like a little odd right now, but it's literally a green romper. And I'm gonna wear my LV purse and just accessorize it with my Tory Burch sandals. And then I'm gonna pat the flower clip in my hair, so it'll still look cute. And I think here I'm just going with the regular side part. I was thinking about an updo, but my hair is retwisted in the side part, so it's not gonna look right. But yeah, this is what I will be wearing. So I'm about to put it on, do my hair, and then I'm gonna update you guys how it looks on me after. Cute. And I did a soft glam on my makeup, like always.
Crank up the trap when I let you. Set shit on fire, I keep it spare.
Something simple. Hey guys, we're at the restaurant. You probably can't hear me, but very basic, but it's okay. Okay, hey guys, we left the room, but we had to come back because my mom left her purse. But okay, I'm gonna wait. But y'all, we're about to, I don't know if I didn't record y'all, but we went to the rooftop for breakfast, like I think it was yesterday, and we're just gonna go get our drinks from the rooftop. So that's where we're about to go up now. I've been up there before. I just didn't record with you guys because I looked at a mess, but because it was kind of like a wake up, just go up there thing. But yes guys, we're gonna go to the rooftop and it's night, so I can't wait to see how it looks. And damn.
High volume.
Am I really that?